This is how you use ATR or average true range when trading. To start off, at first glance, both Microsoft and AMD appear to have the same bear flag break and retest setup. Now, I didn't trade these today, but I saw them and figured they'd be perfect examples for this video. They both break demand, turning it into supply, and come back up to retest it, and I get short when it stays heavy below the supply zone or rotates back down. As you can see, they both have 1 minute supply lines, and they both retest the 5-minute 9 EMA as well, which is another bear sign. However, Microsoft's trade worked and AMD's didn't. The difference here is that Microsoft was not at the end of its ATR, while AMD was. They both roughly have an ATR of 7, meaning most days they only trade in a range of about 7 points and not usually beyond that. As you can see, Microsoft never touched its ATR, which is down here at about 402.5, which is 7 points from its open before entering the break and retest setup, meaning it still had room to move down after the pullback. In contrast, AMD did touch its ATR at about 172 before the setup formed, meaning it didn't have much more room to the downside, therefore you really shouldn't be trying to play a continuation setup anymore. Instead, you could possibly look for a reversal, but only if price action agrees. So in conclusion, don't look to join a trend if its ATR has already been met unless it's experienced an RVOL, but I'll get into that in another video.